Really? Dadalaw ka na ng mga Xavier? Girl, dumadalas ha?
Because that's the only way para mabantayan ko siya.
Hanggang ngayon ba, threat pa rin ang tingin mo sa princess na yan? Do you really think your boyfriend will fall for her?
Yes!
How can you be that insecure?
Dahil yun yung nararamdaman ko, Ava. Dahil alam ko may nagbago ever since nakulong si Xavier. Ever since na nagkakasama sila ni Princess sa loob ng kulungan. Sana mali ako. Pero yun yung kutob ko.
Babe, what happened to you again?
Wala. Napaaway lang, pero ayos na ako.
Anong wala lang? Xavier, last time bugbog ka. Ngayon naman may sugat ka, baka next time may tahi ka na. Sino naman ba kasing inaway mo?
Wala akong inaway.
So paano mo nakuha yan? What, by accident? You know what, this place is really unsafe.
Hindi.
Then how? Xavier.
Na-hostage si Princess kanina. And I saved her.
What?
Unbelievable! Talagang niligtas pa niya yung princess na yon. You know what? I hate her so much.
Baka may miracle or manifestation yang si Princess. Pero bakit hindi si Xavier ang sisihin mo? Siya nag-save. So siyang lumalapit.
Then tell me, why would he do that?
Because he might be falling for her already.
No way! There's no way na ipagpapalit ako ni Xavier sa isang criminal like-minded na yun.
Bestie, proximity can make magic and you never know.
It's so irritating. You know what? I want Princess out of our lives and I will do anything para mawala yung babae na yun.
Hey, you, Princess! Talagang ayaw mong layuan yung boyfriend ko, no? Ano bang habol mo sa kanya, ha? Pinagsasabi mo dyan. Tapos na yung play. So why are you still going here?
Volunteer ako dito. Wala pa dito si Xavier. Ginagawa ko na to.
Pero nagpapaka-active and extra diligent ka because my boyfriend is here at balak mo siyang agawin sa akin.